Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this Tailed Beast Bombs in your projects, your skits, your films, and etc. And like always, you can download all the project files, all the assets, by clicking in the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you download the assets, you're going to have this little folder and it's going to say Tailed Beast Bomb. And all you got to do is just drag this into your composition. So once you drag it in, all you have to do is just drag it into your timeline. It's exported as an alpha background, so there's no background. It's just a tailed beast bomb forming. And I'm gonna scale it down because it's a little big, and then just position it. And that's all we really have to do. And now we can play it. So if you liked it, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Sub for more. GG guys, I'm out.